Are you guys ready for the ultimate style challenge? Can you make an amazing outfit using only one color? Just kidding, we can do better than that. Thomas with Real Men Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the secrets to make an amazing outfit using only one color. Tip number 1. Use different shades. So we're only going to try to use one color in these outfits, but they don't all have to be the same shade. Having an outfit that looks identical top to bottom is going to be boring. So you want to go with different variations of the same color to keep the outfit interesting. Another way to prevent the outfit from looking drab is to mix in some patterns. A combination of solids and patterns will help the clothing pop. Tip number 3. Add texture. Adding pieces that have different texture will help them stand out from each other. So look for fabrics and weaves that have a more apparent texture, like denim, linen, waffle knits, or cable knits. Alright guys, enough talk. Let's see some examples. For our first outfit, we're going to go with a brown color palette. For the base layer, we have a waffle knit Henley in a beige color. Then over that, we're going to layer a dark brown mock neck sweater. Next, we add another layer with a dark brown goatskin leather jacket. The pants are going to be a khaki colored pair of chinos, and we have a chronograph watch which has a brown dial and brown leather strap. Now let's go to the footwear, finishing off with a pair of saddle shoes in a dark brown leather and suede combo. So why does this outfit work? Simply, it does a great job mixing a range of tones and textures. Now the Henley and chinos wouldn't look very good next to each other as they are both a very similar light brown. But it works because I used the darker sweater and leather jacket to separate them. And even though the sweater and jacket are pretty close color-wise, they both have a very different texture that creates a nice contrast. On to outfit number 2. Let's bring in a blue color palette. I selected a light blue gingham dress shirt, then paired it with a navy blue linen blazer. For the trousers, I went with dark wash indigo denim. The accessories include a patterned pocket square and a 2-point fold, and a chronograph watch with a blue leather strap. I also had a belt made of blue suede. Now I'll confess I did cheat a bit here because I don't actually own a pair of blue shoes. But if I did own some, I think it would look awesome with a pair of blue leather penny loafers. So why does this outfit work? Again, there's plenty of contrast between the different pieces, from the shirt, to the blazer, to the pocket square. Now the blazer and jeans are getting a little bit close in color, though they both have very different texture, so it's not pushing things too far. Now for our third outfit, let's go gray. So we're back to a gingham shirt, but this time we're going to go with a much larger pattern. Layered over the shirt is a solid gray v-neck sweater, then on top of that is a sports coat in a herringbone pattern. For the pants, I selected a pair of charcoal gray flannel trousers. Next up, the accessories. We have a paisley gray pocket square with a puff fold, and a stainless steel dive watch. That counts as gray, right? Now for footwear, I put on a pair of black cap toe Oxfords. Maybe that's cheating, but black is on the gray scale, so I'm going to say that's okay. I think one of the reasons this outfit works is the strong herringbone pattern on the sports jacket. It's really the centerpiece of this look, and it helps break up the solid color sweater and trousers.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitamin. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitamin for free.
For the next outfit, let's go back to blue. So I've got a medium blue button-down shirt with a diamond pattern, then I layered a light wash denim jacket over the top. I did bring in a pair of jeans, but opted for a dark wash. Gotta have a good timepiece, so I chose a dive style watch with a blue dial and blue silicone band. Alright, again I cheated a bit with the footwear with these brown chukkas. I think it would look great with a pair of chukkas in blue suede instead. Now this outfit is pushing things with the denim on denim, but it works because of the contrast. I would avoid this look entirely if your jacket and pants are too close in color. Once more, let's go back to gray. Now our base layer is going to be a gray turtleneck sweater with a cable knit pattern. Over that we have a dark gray suit jacket and matching trousers. I selected a houndstooth pocket square with a puff fold and added a stainless steel watch with a black dial and mesh style bracelet. For footwear, I have a pair of black Balmoral wingtips. Again, is that cheating? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Guys, try it for yourself. A style challenge like this is a great way to push yourself to think in new ways about color, pattern, and texture. Speaking of matching things, do you want to know the secrets to matching your jeans with a blazer? I've got you covered, gents. Check out this video right here, where I show you the easy tricks to make this combination look amazing.